Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial and chat a little bit about faith over fear. I feel like I have something on my teeth. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this hair back so we can get started. I got my hair did. Can you see it? The gray is gone. Thank goodness. Not a fan of gray. Not a fan. So I've already gone in with my morning skincare regimen. You can see that my skin is already glowing with that vitamin C serum and Belief Aqua Balm. And I used my Depuffing eye serum to depuff these bags. And we are ready to go. So let's hop in. So we're going to go ahead and start off today with a little bit of primer. Like we need more glow, but that's okay. Oh, I know why my face is glowing. Because I used my new massager. Have you ever used a facial massager? Ooh. Helps to sculpt the face, and it helps to bring in circulation to your face and neck. Helps slim it and get the circulation going. And it makes you have that natural glow. I already did that this morning, so I had to share that cool little tool with you. All right, let's hop in with our VDL primer. We're going to use the Lumilayer today. We want a little extra glow. It's going to be 108 in Texas. We might as well glow, right? Why not? Look at that glow already. Yes, yes. Okay, and then we'll go with Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation. So what does it mean to you to have faith over fear? I think for a lot of us, we have been in a state of, I don't know if it's fear or if it's, so I put that on my hand just so you guys could see. If it's fear or if we are really just kind of in a time that is just troubling. Troubling in our world, troubling even in our local communities, especially with the pandemic going on and kids going back to school. I don't know about you parents, but a little bit of apprehension about cases rising and stuff like that here. Just going down on that neck a little bit. And so in times like this is when I truly plug into my faith. And I mean, truly every day, but definitely in times like this, turning off the news and reading your Bible, or doing a motivational, listening to maybe a sermon, or do a devotion, or even doing like meditation, whatever it takes to help you center yourself. And so this is definitely a time that I'm focusing on those things versus letting everything in the world impact how I feel and how I look at life. We're doing matcha in the concealer. I'm going to do just a little bit up here for those eyes. It's going to help give us a base for our eyeshadow. But if you are not plugging into your faith, if you are not finding your center spot or finding your peace, this world will eat you up. And I really think that this is a time we're called to plug in and not let everything in this world overtake you. Because, oh my gosh, one day of watching the news and I can be like in panic mode. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy that just 5 minutes watching the news, I'm like, what is happening in our world? It is nuts. Never thought in my lifetime, I would live through something like this. How about you guys? Did you ever think in your lifetime that we would live through something like this? It's crazy. Okay, Tattoo Station, we're going to use brown for our brow pencil. We're just going to take it in, bam, and do some little micro strokes and fill it in, just like so. And this Tattoo Station is going to stay with us. So what are some ways that you flex your faith over fear? I'm interested to hear in the comments, maybe some things that you do that help build your faith. For me, we've been blessed to still be able to go to church. We live in a very small community that has very few cases. Excuse me, I gotta blend a little bit better with this foundation. We live in a very small community with very few cases, so we've still been able to go to church, which I know is rare. Like, not everybody's in the same situation as us. Magix dust, we're gonna go in and do a little bit of setting on this. But I think it can be something as just as simple as taking a walk or reading a book, or just something to help you calm down and center yourself, because fear will devour you if you allow it. And we're not into the allowing business. What do you think? Not into the allowing business. We're gonna overcome. We're gonna be overcomers, and we're gonna be strong. So what I'm doing, I should show you this. I'm just putting this in here. There we go. And just finishing off the face. It gives such a good setting. Okay, let's go in with Monopop in shade Browns. Browns. Okay, we're going to pull some of those colors and work this crease here. Just going to bring it over. One thing, I know this sounds crazy, one thing I do to help me overcome fear is to find other things to focus my energy on. So maybe spending time with your family, playing games. For me, it's doing makeup. I know that's crazy, but it takes my mind off of everything going on in the world. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna pick up this gold and a little bit of this muted color here and bring that in on the bottom. Bring it up to that crease. Just blending back and forth. There we go. Gold and muted. I'm gonna bring it up. That blending process is where the magic is on your eyes. That is truly the magic piece. Look how pretty those eyes look. We haven't even finished it off yet. Okay, let's take our flat brush and pick up just a little bit of this kind of it's a little bit of a sparkle taupe color. Bring it down here, kind of blend it in. Look at that, yay! Okay. I love doing a mixture. It's like painting. I had a lady ask me yesterday, what's your craft? I was like, I don't really have, what do you like to craft, or hobbies? And I'm like, makeup, is that a hobby? I mean, it is for me. SuperExtend. She was like, no, like painting. And I was like, well, makeup is kind of like painting, isn't it? I mean, that's the way I look at it. SuperExtend liquid liner. I need mascara. Well, here is a good tip for you. I have in order for you, and I may have an extra mascara I can stick in there. I'll check for you and I'll let you know. But I got your order in. It's ready to go. So Cindy, how do you practice faith over fear? What are some things that you do to keep yourself centered and not worrying about all the crazy going on in the world? Anything that you find to help you center? I was talking about, you know, doing your devotion, taking a walk, reading a book, doing makeup. Okay, I do think I have a regular Love mascara. I don't know if I have a Love waterproof. So I'll have to look. We're doing Love waterproof. Check that out. It's giving me volume. It's giving me all the love. Let's see. IGNO, ignoring the news. There you go. I love it. That helps, doesn't it? That's what I was talking about when I started. I said, you know, I watched 15 minutes of the news yesterday and I was like petrified. I was like, oh my gosh, the world's going to end and we're all going down with it. It was just like, you have to turn it off because you can't believe half of what's on it anyway. So it's, I mean, you don't even know what's true and what's not anymore. I remember a day when the news was non-biased, and it seems like every news channel I watch now is biased one way or the other. Moisture cushion, we're going to use coral in this. But they're biased one way or the other. You know, it's not just like, let me report the news to you and let you decide. They want to tell me how to feel, and I'm like, I don't like this. So yeah, after about 10 minutes I turned it off. I was like, well, we're just gonna have to pray that the good Lord makes sure that we know what we need to know, because I ain't watching this stuff no more. Okay, we're gonna do some Love highlighter because we want just an extra little bit of highlighter on today. A little bit, a little extra glow. Can you see that? I've carried on as normal life as I wouldn't have done that. It would be tough. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it will overcome you for sure if you don't just keep on keeping on, right? Just keep on doing what you need to do. All right, we're going to do birthday post today. If you've not got your birthday balms yet, you need to check these out. They are so good. They feel so good. So that is our look for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Practice your faith over your fear. Turn that news off, like Cindy said, and take a walk, read a book, spend time with your family, and quit letting fear overcome you. That is my message today. So if you would like to shop for any of these products, you can check them out at your avon.com/jwoolsey. Check out the link. posted below, or message me and I'll help you color match and find your perfect shades. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and we will see you all later. Bye.